Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SoFi Invest full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you are using an Apple device. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SoFi Invest. Press the search button to see the results. Locate the official SoFi Invest app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Click on the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the SoFi Invest icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the app. Upon opening the app, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select Get Started to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Read through the terms and conditions, then agree to proceed. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information. This may include your name, phone number, and address. You may be required to verify your identity for security purposes. Upload any necessary identification documents as instructed. Once your identity is verified, you will set up your funding method. Link your bank account or other funding sources as required. You may need to confirm small test deposits made by SoFi to your bank account. After setting up funding, you will be taken to your dashboard. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Review the investment options available to you. Decide how you wish to start investing. Follow on-screen prompts to make your first investment. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up SoFi Invest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.